Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked barbecue ribs. Preheat your oven to 385 degrees. You will need 4.5 pounds of beef ribs, 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine your onion powder and garlic powder. Now add your salt and black pepper, then whisk until well combined. Place your beef ribs on a baking sheet lined with foil. Make sure your ribs have been thoroughly cleaned and dried. Now evenly brush your oil over the ribs. Now generously season your ribs with your seasoning mixture. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 385 degrees. Now wrap your ribs in foil and transfer to the oven. Allow the ribs to cook for 3.5 hours. After 3.5 hours, remove your ribs from the oven, then generously brush with your barbecue sauce. Change your oven settings from bake to broil, then place your uncovered ribs back into the oven and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made